is a good look. Big
Pass be my passing up. Can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, X-Parking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So look what we just run into, man. Run into the dream car, man. The GTR. Shit, nice, man. One day, guys, we're gonna have this on the channel. Just remember I said that, man. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Guys, so right now we on the 95 right now I'm just like going to work right now, so I decided to like make a video for y'all. And if y'all think that GTR looks nice, man, leave a comment down below and make sure y'all watch the full video, and make sure y'all go watch the last video I dropped on the turbo update for the 535. For some of y'all that doesn't know, I'm going top mount turbo soon, so I drop a video on that, so make sure y'all go check it out, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe as I said before, and let's push this video, man. Nice ass green on that Porsche. Nice ass green on that Porsche. I want to thank you guys for watching. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.